guys, welcome back. I hope you all are doing well. If you are new here, my name is Grace. Welcome to Affordable Luxe TV. To my old and returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to support your girl. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. So guys, we have an unboxing today. We're gonna do the unboxing together, okay? That's why I say we, all right? So the box is here. If you watch my last video, I only showed you the box, but you know, I didn't want the video to be too long. So yeah, here we are now to unbox these babies from Coach. Okay, yeah, I like the way Coach, you know, all the bubble wraps just to make sure the merchandise get to you in a very good condition. Okay, look at all the bubble wraps, all the bubble wrap is put in there. Okay, all right guys, so the first one I'm gonna be unboxing is this. Okay, so let me open it up. Take out all the packaging, and this is what it looks like. I love that green. This is the perfect color of green. Do you agree with me, guys? Do you love green as well? Green, by the way, green is my favorite color. So when I saw this, I couldn't pass up. All right. And this it reminds me of the Alma BB from Louis Vuitton. Beautiful 4 feet. Silver hardware. Look at the beautiful Coach tag up here, and the name here says Coach as well. Wow, this is pretty, and I like the size. It's not too big, not too small. All right, so this one is called the Catty satchel. It's called, and it's in X grain leather. Okay, so I'll leave the link down there. This one I got from the Coach outlet. All right, and it was something that came in from the boutique store. Okay, so let me take off all the packaging in the on the handle as well. Well, we're very well packaged, guys. This is the adjustable strap it came with, so you can also wear it as a crossbody if you choose to. So adjustable, okay guys. Very well packaged and stuffed. Oh my goodness. So this is what the interior look like. So I will do a what fit in it, but if you have the Alma BB, you already know. Okay, so these are the care booklets from Coach that it came with. Okay, it has one zipper compartment over there. All right, wow, this is a beautiful one. Very well structured bag. Let me open the back zip. So guys, how do you see the color? I love this green color. So pretty. If you don't know the Alma BB from Louis Vuitton, here is a picture of it, so you can compare it. So this color will go with black, red, to go with yellow as well for summer. It to go with blue, okay, to go with white outfits. So it has a lot of options for it. So if you don't like a big handbag and you want to get this from Coach, check down the description. I will leave the link below for you. Okay, so I love this. Even with the feet on the bottom, I am in love. Look at the details. Has the Coach details at the zip. Simple and yet classy. Okay, so guys, I got a back charm to wear with this. Let me get the back charm. This is the back charm. This is the back charm I got to wear with this. So it's a back charm and also a key holder. All right, so I'm just gonna put it in front of it like this. I don't mind having two-tone hardwares. The back charm come with a gold hardware. I don't mind it against the silver hardware. So you can rock your bag however you choose. Okay. All right, guys, let's go now and unbox the next one. So this is the next one, guys. A lot of packaging. Very well packaged. They want your merchandise to come to you in the most perfect condition, which is good. I love that. I love that. I love that about Coach. Okay, guys, this is what this look like. I don't know what color is coming out, but it's a orange. This is bright orange. Feet at the bottom again. Look at the sides. This is the adjustable strap which you can use. Pocket at the back. And this is the middle compartment. It has the zipper compartment here. Another opening here with a snap closure. And another opening down here with another snap closure, okay? And when you close it out, it catches itself. It has another opening here at the back of it. And this comes with a gold hardware with the Coach symbol down there, okay? So let me take the packaging and the handle out. Told you all this was really packaged so well. Okay, guys, this is the handle and what it looks like. There's a Coach tag here, stamped Coach. Okay, I also love this one, and this one is called, the Mini Lillie Cry, okay, and is in the is leather. I know it's pure leather from what it says here, so I will put everything down in the description. The color is called Sunbeam, okay, and the product code for this is 193971893846. That's the product code. So if you like handbags that are not too big, This is the perfect one as well. You can see the design up here. This is what it looks like as well. Okay, so I'll be putting the name on the screen for you, just in case, you know, I didn't pronounce it right. And it's an all leather handbag. So the color is called Sunbeam, but it's an orange color. Okay, I don't know, it might be coming out yellowish on the screen, but this is orange. Okay, and also I can use that bag charm here if I want to dress it up a little bit. The bag charm is in gold hardware and brown, the regular Coach deep brown. Okay, there you go. Beautiful, right? So that's it, guys. I love it, I love it, I love it. Okay, so guys, if you've watched up to this extent, thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't joined the family, please click on that subscribe button. I will really appreciate that. Till I come your way next time with another bag unboxing or handbag review. Stay blessed. See you all. Bye, guys.